Okay, so I'm applying the background colors. I just talked to you guys. It's still the same night, and it might be beyond my born day. So let's just see what time it is. Yeah. Okay, 12:26. Oh, I didn't put in. It's 12:28 a.m. It is April 25th. Yes, I'm on T-Mobile. Oh my gosh, I'm at 14%. I never plugged it in. Oh my god, I can't do it with one hand. I just wanted to show you this color. No, seriously, I think it's because, yeah, I'm watching some art lady or whatever. I'm watching stuff. It's dark in there because it's, yeah, you can see what time it was. Anyway, I'm not going to talk too much because I just want to maybe have some company while I paint. That's really not true. I just kind of want to show y'all and also keep track of this kind of myself to see. I don't need to explain because God knows I just I don't know. Now I don't know. I gotta sit y'all somewhere. Okay, let me see. It's still me. Okay, maybe right there. Maybe. If you fall and you break my camera, I'm gonna be so upset. Maybe I can sit you on a tilt you up on this little piece of whatever. I'm looking at my. Okay, I don't know. Should I zoom you in? No. Oh well, whatever. Every once in a while, I'll just go like this. Okay. Darker orange. That's a little bit lighter. It's a little bit darker. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Just keep going. Keep going, easy. Keep going. So cute. Yes. Paint. Dishwashers. Making some noise. I'm not going to turn my TV up. The volume is basically on mute because, again, I don't want to get any strikes and I can't play my book. That's another reason why I don't do this often when I'm in the act of painting, because I'm listening to things that I can actually get in trouble for on YouTube. I don't own the rights to anything, obviously. Just this free cardboard and paint and these brushes that my son bought. Anyway, or I bought it. I don't know how old this one is, but I like it. It's just the stuff that comes off when I put it in water and sit it in there and totally forget about it. Anyway, so let's see here. Where else I want this dark orange? I want it right here. I know, my arm jiggly. Should I lose weight? Of course I should. Am I? Do I need to go back on my fast? Yes, I do need to. Do I need to go back to doing 1 meal a day? Yes, I need to. Will I? I'll make no promises. I make no promises, because that's whack. Me and DJ are going to the gym tomorrow, though. He got a gym membership for both of us. Isn't that nice? Well, basically a family membership. And I'm going to shut up. Am I training for my marathon? I stopped. I lost the desire to even want to do it. I just like to walk, but I don't want to do it because it's like I put myself on blast. And I want to walk when I want to walk, and this is what I mean. Like, when I really wanted to train for the marathon, I was training for a marathon. Once I popped my knee that one time, and I didn't walk as much or hike as much, that was the end of that. Will I ever try it again? I don't know. If I do, I may not tell you, or tell anyone. I'll just start walking, and one day it'll be, I'm up to 5 hours. I don't know. don't care to tell ya. Hi Malik, hi Himi, hi Tasha. Hey Dante. Hey Talia. Hey Layla, Levi, London, and Legend. Legend. I love y'all. Hey Jasmine in Florida. Deshaun. Kaylin. Hey family. All y'all. Hey Justice Wustus. Hey Justice Wustus. Hey Justice. He don't like me playing with his name. Just Justice. He don't like me saying that he's a big boy, a little boy, or whatever. Just Justice. Grandma. Hey Pootie Tang. Oh. Hey Pootie. Oh my goodness. Hey Grace. Gracie Lacey. Hey Clarky. Hey Addison. A little Addison. Oh man. I miss you, Jada. I miss you so much. I miss you, Deja. I just need a hug. I miss all my babies. I miss them all. I do. Hey, Miss Shy. Hey, Miss Shy. I ain't seen you in a minute. Boy, I swear, you give an open invitation to folks and they still don't come and see you. I love my grandkids. I love my family. But the grandkids ain't thinking about their grandparents like they used to back in the day. I wish I had a grandmother that I knew and was alive. I really do. I missed out, y'all. I missed out. I had a borrowed granny. I had a granny who was amazing. She wasn't my natural blood granny, but she was amazing. God bless her. Oh God. We're forgotten when we're here. We're gonna be forgotten when we're gone. It's like nothing matters. Like, I wish I could be everywhere. Like the movie said, everywhere all at once. Or had not such a limited funding. I wish I could make enough money to get in not a van, yeah, like a small van or SUV, enough to take my art and go visit each one of my grandkids, take them with me on the road, and we can just go to parks and lakes and oceans and set up a tent and tables and chairs and paint and have lunch and watch the sun rise and fall. Play games on the beach. I would do that once a month. Get on the road, go visit another one, go visit another family member and another. And always end up outside painting and having a good time. Good food and company. That's the life that I want. So I'm gonna do that as much as I can. Gonna call my grandkids mama, which we need to be making plans to get back over here on Sundays, especially since the summer is gonna be coming up soon. And hopefully they can all come to my art show in July. After that, Sundays will be dedicated to family. I don't want to work on Sundays, maybe once in a blue moon. But the Sundays that I have off, I'm going to go to my spiritual meetings and then get on the road. Bum, 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 bum. I like that. I love this color. It's like an orange red. You see my big old arm? It's crazy. Whatever. Alright, basically just building the background colors. And I just kind of want to paint freely. Without too much design. I mean, it's already in a shape. I cut the shape free-formed. Now I'm painting and basically blocking. And then I'll paint some stuff on top of the color blocking. All I can do is just offer you my love. And this is just another color I mixed up. It's basically turquoise and white. Looks like minty green. There might be some green in there other than the turquoise green. There might be. And I want to use all of this so I can not have it dry up on me. If I could, I would give you the world. But all I can do is just offer you my love. I hope y'all can see a little bit. Hope you're not ridiculously bored, Jada Deja. That's just Grandma running off at the mouth again, doing her painting. That's what Grandma will do. I'm a lonely grandma. Man, I don't know. Life, it's beautiful. I'm not gonna complain. I have a very healthy, loving family. I love them. And I cherish all the moments I've had with them. Every single last minute and second. Nieces and nephews, cousins, siblings. I love my brother. My hero. Diamonds and pearls. Would you be a happy boy or a girl? I'm almost out of this. I really like this color. It's spring green. And then, of course, it's got some other stuff in there because I'll be mixing stuff up even when they're in the little thing. So it's got some house paint and some of that cheap paint that I just showed you. And it works really good. It's a pretty green. I was going to use it as some of the topical markings that I'm going to make on this, but as you saw, I just kind of dumped it out and totally forgot about that, but who cares? Who cares? So I know when I start painting some markings over this or shapes or whatever I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be like, no, I want to see that. So yeah, sparingly cover it up. Alright, so I'm already mixing it in with other stuff. All I can do, because I might want to see it come through. Try brushing it, get all of it off. It's such a pretty color. Okay, and what else? What else is over here in my plastic things? I've been trying to keep them dry, so, or wet. And this is like a creamy mess of a color. I'll use that for some background color. It's so gloppy and thick now. Look at that, won't even drip. So, put it there. Be a happy boy, girl. If I could, I would give you the world. But all I can do is just offer you my love. If I could, I would give you the world. But all I can do is just offer you my love. And this is another light color that I would probably make sure that it pokes out, not completely covered up, so that I can have, I guess in the correct way you should use the lighter colors to go on top, but I use light and dark. I really sometimes don't have a rhyme or reason. I can hear sometimes when people talk about this should go here, and then the gradation, and the blah blah blah, and this contrasting colors, and the color wheel, and blah 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 blah. Sure.